Hey guys, welcome back to All Bright Metalworks. Today we're going to cover basics of forge welding, and this is my friend Scott doing the forge welding. I'm behind the camera. We had to mute the audio for the video because we had music playing in the background. So right here he went ahead and cut down with the chisel down about half to 3/4 of the way through, and he's folding it over. Once he gets it folded over, he'll flux it, and here he's using Iron Mountain Flux, which is from blacksmithsupply.com. It's way better than just straight borax, and it takes way less flux to actually get the job done. And putting it back in the coal forge. There's only a couple cuts in this video due to poor camera work. I was behind the camera and I'm still learning on this. Most of the time I just set up on a tripod and that's it. One important thing to remember whenever you're doing these forge welds and stuff is to make sure that you maintain your fire properly, make sure there's no clinkers, and just keep the fire the size you need. So here he's getting ready to cut, but I'm in the background saying, wrong side. Sometimes when you get in the heat of the moment, it's easy to forget. He's doing a triple stack here where he's folded it over once and he's going over for a second fold. And again, sorry about the shoddy camera work. So you see him here kind of raking up the fire and building it up a little bit, tweaking the clinker breaker a little. You want to make sure that there's no clinker in the fire. It can kind of ruin your weld and give you a bad day and a failed weld. I've even had them actually rob all the oxygen out of the fire and put the fire out. And this funky glare on the side of the screen is from my camera lens protector on my phone. Sorry about that. I'm got to take it off and rework that a little bit, or actually use the camera that I intend for it. So here he's got his extra fold over. Now he's getting ready to go in for the main heat to forge weld the rest of this together. Getting a little flux. And it doesn't have to be the expensive Iron Mountain Flux, but you do go through way less, and I've had much better results forge welding with it. And a little setup and prep, cleaning off the slag and the flux off the anvil. He's got his hammer where he wants it. So whenever you come out of the fire with your piece, you need to quickly fling off any extra liquid flux and go right to the anvil and give it several light taps so it sets. Here's the fling. Should have been zoomed out a little farther so you could see it actually fling everywhere. It's literally a liquid. If you're not getting those little sparks that are coming off of there, then you're not really getting a good forge weld when you're hammering it. Because if you're hammering and there's no sparks, you probably don't have it up to the right temperature. You want it to be right on the edge of sparkling like a fireworks sparkler. But if you get it too far, you scorch it. So it's kind of a fine line to get it to the right temp. Preferably you want it just before it sparkles. It'll be just about the same exact color as the coal in the fire, which you got to be careful staring in at because you can burn the image of the fire to your retinas. Generally when we're forge welding, we'll have some shaded safety glasses. Kind of helps you see, but you want it to be the same color as the fire inside. Tweaking the clinker breaker again a little bit. And here he comes out with it again. There you can kind of see a little better image of it. See all them sparks coming off when he hits? That means you're right at the perfect temperature. And the camera does whitewash it out a little bit, but it's literally a bright lemon yellow whenever you're at forge weld temperature. At least for mild steel. There might be some alien steels out there that do it at different colors, but most of the time we're forge welding mild steel or Damascus, and those are all kind of similar color range. So you can see them kind of upsetting the end a little bit to kind of keep the shape, because when you're hammering on it this hot, it moves really easy and you can get your piece longer than you want and lose some of your thickness. And that's pretty much the end of him setting the forge weld. Now he's going to go to shaping, and that'll be in another video. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for all notifications. Join us for a future video where we're going to be showing you how to forge these miniature cowboy hats. And as always, forge on, my friends.